Do you own a raw diamond stone and have doubts about its authenticity? Are you afraid of falling victim to fraud when buying this precious jewel? In a world full of imitations, distinguishing between real and fake diamonds has become a major challenge. In this article, we will reveal the 7 strongest scientific and home methods to help you ensure that what you have is a real, sparkling diamond. 1. The fog test. This is one of the easiest and most common methods at home. Hold the stone between your fingers and breathe heavily on it. A real diamond is an excellent conductor of heat, which means it disperses the heat from your breath almost immediately, causing the fog to disappear instantly. If the fog takes several seconds to disperse, the stone is likely fake. 2. The water test. The water test is very simple. Fill a glass with water and place the diamond inside. Due to the high density of a real diamond, it will sink immediately to the bottom. If the stone floats on the surface or remains suspended in the middle, it is most likely fake. 3. The refraction test, brilliance and fire. This method relies on how the diamond interacts with light. A real diamond features high brilliance, white and gray light reflected from within, and fire, rainbow colors on nearby surfaces. Look directly through the top of the diamond. If you see very clear rainbow reflections inside the stone itself, it might be fake. Real diamonds usually emit gray and white shades. 4. The scratch test. Diamond is the hardest natural material known. Try scratching the stone on a rough surface or with a piece of corundum, another hard material. If the stone leaves a scratch mark on the corundum, it is likely a diamond. If the stone itself gets scratched, it is certainly not a diamond. 5. The thermal diamond tester test. The most accurate method among home methods is using a thermal diamond tester device. This device measures the thermal conductivity of the stone. Since diamonds transfer heat differently than most fake stones, like cubic zirconia, the device can determine whether it is real or not. 6. The ultraviolet, UV, light test. When a real diamond is placed under UV light, it may glow a bright blue color. However, not all diamonds do this, so this method alone cannot be relied upon as conclusive evidence, but it is a useful indicator. 7. Looking for inclusions. Natural raw diamonds often contain small, natural flaws or inclusions known as the geological fingerprint, formed over millions of years. Synthetic, lab-made, or fake.